Well, welcome to Arrowhead Jeep. What the? I got bamboozled and then changing mom and dad's oil in their 2017 Jeep Wrangler. So let's get into this. Let's do it. Well, first steps, take off this cover. There's 2 clips here and 2 clips in the back. So up and out, just like that. Don't lose this. This right here, that is where your oil filter's at. It's in a plastic housing, kind of like the Porsches, which explains a few things. So let's get a socket for that. Let's take that off, and over yonder is where we're going to put the oil in, and this is our old dipstick. So let's get that off first. Well, I wonder just how big of a boy you are. Let's find out. Yeah, you're bigger than a 7/8. Aha, that's how big of a boy you are. You're a damn, what's that say on here? 11/16. All right, 11/16 to get that off. All right, here we come. There we go. Set that in there. Let's take this over to the workbench and I'll show you what we're going to do with this. So it's got an O-ring they got to take off. There should be a new one in the box. Then
that's the new one there?
That's the old one.
Oh, okay.
But there's a gasket.
Yeah. You got to replace it?
Yeah. Yep. Put that over there. Grab one of these. And the new one, a red one this time. Take it.
Yeah, they made that pretty simple. I wish they'd done that on the Can-Am. And it's a bear.
Get this. There we go. Come on. There it is. Make sure it's sitting down. Come on. There we go. All right, and then new filter. Just like that. A couple of turns.
Is in there?
Yep. Just like that. And off, we'll put it back in there. Just take it and we'll drop it right in. Right there. That should be good. So then oil goes in here. Open that up so the oil will drain out faster. All right, next is underneath. All right, there is your drain plug. It is a 1/2 inch. Pull that drain plug and let her run. Out she comes. All right, put the plug back in.
I still had the hours warranty, but mileage was a little low. So they wouldn't pay for it.
All right, we'll tighten her down. All right, good. All right, now let's go fill it up. So oil right here.
Want me to hold it there for you?
Yeah. Well, it almost flows like water, doesn't it?
Yeah. Real thin.
Or a 5-quart, and then we'll enter that little 1-quart jug. Give us our 6. All right, one more to make 6. Oil filter's in, drain plug is in. Last one. Wipe that down and take that away. And that should be that.
Yeah, there you go. If you want to check your transmission,
You got to take the damn thing off. Jeez.
Yeah.
All right. She's done. Oh, we need to reset the light on the dashboard too. Take the key, stick it in, turn it to accessory, and then let all the lights go off. And then 3 times.
Oil change required.
So 1, 2, 3. So then turn this off. Turn it back on. Coolant temp 168. Oil life 100%. So we got that taken care of.
All right.
All right, now.